Everyone, it's Anthony Onesto, and this is my latest AI drop from my newsletter, AI in HR. Today, subscribe, don't wait. You don't want to miss out on anything. So the buzz around artificial intelligence and human resources is totally undeniable. We're starting to see a movement. And there's a lot of promises about the operations, streamlining, intelligent decision making. But one of the things I wanted to explore was this balance. How do we navigate the ethical tightrope that us, the folks in HR, are going to have to look out and watch out for, especially when weaving AI into the fabric of HR? Well, let's first look at the numbers. Research highlighted that AI recruitment tools trained on historical hiring might result in 30% reduction in opportunity for underrepresented groups. Kathy O'Neill, Weapons of Math Destruction, great book. Check it out. There's a lot of bias that can be exemplified. Employee trust. Over 60% of employees feared that they would be unfairly judged by automated systems. And privacy. Always an issue. A 2022 report by the Electronic Frontier Foundation found that 79% of Americans express worry about how AI surveillance could compromise their privacy. So what can we do? We can be a catalyst for this, and we can navigate these ethical minefields as a group, right? So first and foremost, let's think about the watchouts. Be proactive about bias management. Make sure that you are not exemplifying bias that existed in the past. Demand transparency when you're working with vendors and other folks. Explainability. How is your algorithm work? What does that look like? And continue to check on that. And there's some state and hopefully some federal laws that will force a lot of these tools to be transparent about it. Make sure you have data governance and privacy protocols in place. Work with your legal teams. Work with your IT teams. By the way, when you're working, AI is coming. So there's no scenario where we don't use AI. That's a bad idea. So when you're working with these folks, first and foremost, for yourself, use it. Second, work with your IT and legal departments and set the mandate that it's not a yes or no, it's a yes, but work with you. Like, how can you help us make sure that we are towing the ethical tightrope here? And I think, again, one of the things that I've been talking about a lot is the importance of having the human at the center of all of this, right? And that's why I believe the CHRO, the CPO, and the human resource leaders that are out there can be critical and lead this transformation, right? So a couple of things to think about: embed the ethics from the start, create an HR specific ethics charter before you even start with AI, foster AI literacy, get trained folks, start playing with it, see what it's all about, and then collaborate and communicate. Like I said before, with your IT departments, your legal departments, and even your operational groups, make sure that you're looking at these things and there's a constant flow of collaboration and communication. That's my latest drop. We'll see you next time.